Richard, yes.
Hazel.
Ano bang balita, Doc?
Success yung surgery. Manuel will be fine.
Oh, thank you.
So ito nangyari. May laceration yung lungs ni Manuel dahil may rib fracture siya. So tinahi namin yan, tsaka naglagay kami ng CTP o chest tube. So no more blood and air within the lungs. That should not be there. Okay? For the heart, no major vessels or arteries are damaged. So no need to worry about that. Yung rib fractures niya, pleural fractures, ang dami. But it's not that extensive, so we won't need to touch them. Just limitation of movement, just don't make him move. That would heal na. Okay?
So,
Fine. Okay lang yan.
Sorry.
No, okay lang yan, okay lang yan. It's fine. Okay lang. So for Manuel, ganito. Post-stabilization tayo. He'll stabilize himself here first. Then after that, we'll send him to the ICU. Once he's in the ICU, you can go visit him na. Okay?
I understand, Doc. Maraming salamat po ulit.
No problem. Sige, hold on.
Anak, narinig mo yun? Buhay na buhay ang dati mo na survive ng surgery.